This is British North America. It's pretty big. For this tutorial we will be mainly focusing on Canada West, Canada East, Nova Scotia, New Brunswick, PEI, and Newfoundland. I'm Jacob and this is a tutorial on how to make a nation in these certain circumstances. These are Canadians. There are people who love their nation, but there's a threat, the Americans. The Canadians don't want to become Americans, so you need to do something, quick. There are also the Brits, the French, the natives, and some others as well. The first thing you need is incentive. How about a non-functional government? The threat of Americans taking over our pride and joy, Canada, and the opportunity of a railroad that stretches from Atlantic to Pacific. Now you must lead the Dominion of Canada into discussions that will create the Great Canadian Confederation. The first conference is in Charlottetown. Give them your ideas, and don't forget to talk about the railway that shall unite our great nation. For the next conference, this one in Montreal, revise your ideas so that they are more befitting to the other colonies. Keep the rights of the natives the same. They don't need any representation here. You should also start work on that Great Canadian Railway. Now all you need is your own currency, and you've got yourself the best place to live in the world. Some might even say that it's the best nation in the world, but that's just nationalism.